right, everybody. So I went and got a couple different light bulbs. This is the TP-Link multicolored one that you get from Walmart for $29.99 per bulb. Got it right here. I'm going to be putting it up here. You can see I've got two for the ceiling fan. I've already got one installed. Watch. Hey Google, can you change my lamp light to blue?
Okay, changing the office lamp to blue.
Hey Google, can you change my office lamp to yellow?
Sure, changing the office lamp to yellow.
So you can see I was pretty pleased with that functionality and the way the app works. So I'm going to go ahead and make it to where I can do my whole room this way. So that's what I've got going on right now. All right, so after I've created the group, I'm going to go ahead and try it out. Hey Google, can you turn on the office lights?
You got it, turning 3 lights on.
So each one of them is going to have a different name, but I'm going to try and make it into a group here on the app. So there is a firmware update. Okay, so because there is two fans here, or there is two lights here, I'm going to be needing to create a group. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. So here I am adding a device. So here I am, I'm going to add a device. It's a smart bulb. Hit next. Hit next. Okay, now I'm going to go to my Wi-Fi. That one. Now it's connecting to your device. And I'm going to name it ceiling fan. I'm going to select the icon. So this might take a moment. Just remember, you're going to be joining the TP-Link Wi-Fi network when you are connecting to the actual light bulb, and then you'll switch over to bridge it and connect it to your main home network. So you're going to join the TP-Link smart bulb, whatever numbers are after that for your particular bulb, to the Kasa app, K-A-S-A app, and you do a basically you know that your lights are communicating with you when it goes through the cycle of the red, blue, the yellow, and the green light. Okay, don't mind the mess, guys, but I'm going to show you. I've got the ceiling fan and the desk light hooked up. Hey Google, can you turn the office lights to blue?
You got it, changing 3 lights to blue.
Hey Google, can you change the office lights to pink?
You got it, changing 3 lights to pink.
Hey Google, can you change the office lights to green?
Sure, changing 3 lights to green.
Hey Google, can you change the office lights to yellow?
Okay, changing 3 lights to yellow.
So as you guys can see, this was all done with the TP-Link smart bulbs using the app, the Kasa app, K-A-S-A app, and I've got each individual light named separately, and then I've created a group for the entire office lights. Now what I'm going to do is create a smart outlet for the Himalayan rock salt. Okay guys, so I'm going to show you the final result. Hey Google, turn off the desk lamp.
Okay, turning off the desk light.
Hey Google, turn off the salt lamp.
Okay, turning off the salt lamp.
Hey Google, can you turn off all the lights in the office?
Sure, turning 4 lights off.
Hey Google, can you turn on the salt lamp?
You got it, turning the salt lamp on.
By the way, guys, that is using a plug. So that's a plug that I'm using, a wall plug. That's how that's working. Hey Google, can you turn on all the lights in the office?
Sure, turning 4 lights on.
Hey Google, can you turn the office blue?
You got it, changing 3 lights to blue.
Thank you, Google. So what do you guys think?